Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my student. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, if all of you are in a good condition. So, student, for this meeting, I will explain about approach, method, and strategy or technique. So, the learning objective for this study that you are able to explain all this concept very well. Are you ready to study, student? Yes, of course. So, I will explain one by one about the concept of approach. Actually, what is approach? According to the Brown, approach is a theoretical foundation and belief about teaching language and language learning to a specific educational context. Brown says the example of approach is communicative approach. Student, you will be a teacher's candidate, so you must know the goal of teaching English. The goal of teaching English, that is, the students are able to communicate in English. So, the approach that you can choose is communicative approach. Have you understand? Of course. Now I will continue to the next, that is about method. Method is a set of a classroom specification to achieve learning objective by implementing teacher and student rule, subject matter, objective, and material. So, to achieve our goal, the teacher must implement method. Here, method must have a stages or syntax. The example of methods such as genre-based approach, project-based learning, problem-based learning, discovery learning, scientific approach, and many others. Student, if you want to teach English more enjoyable, you must choose one method in your teaching and learning process. By implementing a certain method, you can make the student participation in the class. To promote your method can be done well, you must choose one technique or strategy. So, what is technique or strategy? Technique is a way or a strategy that can be used to support our method so we can easily achieve our learning goal. When we are teaching English, there are many kind of strategies that we can choose, such as role play, group discussion, group presentation, individual presentation, gallery walk, and many others. All of these strategies can make the teaching and learning process more enjoyable for our student. The student feel relaxed when they are communicating their English skill. So, that's all, my student. All of you have understood this concept? Alhamdulillah. Okay? I think that's all for this meeting. See you for the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.